Imaginext!
Hey there! Welcome to the I Spy edition of Imaginext DC Super Friends. Throughout the video, the Joker has hidden 5 Jack-in-the-Boxes. They look just like this. See how many you can find. Ready? Let's go!
Wow!
Ooh, there's one. See it? Let's keep going. Take a look. See it now? Good job! Ooh, there's one. See it? Good job.
Ew!
Aha! See it? All right. One more to find.
Oh! 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 Ooh! Ha ha ha! Whoa! Wow!
Last one. Did you get it? Way to go.
Hey!
Thanks for playing.
Hey.
What? Ew!
See you next time.